It's from USA Toys. See, there's a remote control. And what's in here?
It's a bike.
Alright. It's small. I thought it was much bigger than that. That's the charging cable. So it charges by USB. Yeah, we need batteries for both, of course, for the remote control AA's. And it has a built-in 3.7 lithium battery. Here's the remote. Trigger. Okay. Yes. This is the front. What kind of wheel? Is this rubber? It looks like real rubber, yeah. This is the on and off button, and this is where you charge it through USB. Okay, 4 AA batteries. Like it looks like
You're gonna fall.
looks like there is a training wheel here. Training wheels. Okay. Coming. There we go. So that's ready to go. Test it. Alright. Stay away from the ditch. Get into a bump.